Okay, here we go. Okay guys, this is my box all the way from the US Amazon. Okay, this is gonna be my first mega unboxing. Let's see what we have here. Excited, Insan?
Yes, of course.
I've waited 2 months. 2 months. No, 3 months.
For this box.
For this box. Corona. Okay, so before I open this, we made sure to disinfect. Okay. All right. Let's see what we have here. There we go. Okay. Okay, we have a big backpack for traveling. Okay. We have some t-shirt. Pouch for traveling. Okay, 128 gigabytes. What is this? My GoPro bag. My gaming keyboard. My Skechers shoes. You like inside?
Of course, it's a Skechers.
Looks nice, huh? And it's super soft inside. Some woolen socks when I go skiing. Yeah. There we go. Okay, phone stand. Boot warmer when it's winter. Okay, snorkeling set. This
New shade.
Yeah, new shades. These are pretty cool. Let's see one. What do you think?
You look like who this one?
Look at the quality. Feels so good.
It's like
Hold it.
Ray-Ban, huh?
It is.
Mary's.
And I have another color, orange.
You bought two.
Yes. 2. Okay. Wow. Yeah, so basically these are like 63 items. That's why it took
3 months.
Well, technically 2 months.
2 months.
And then it
to
took me
deliver
another 1 month to decide
for the
all
shipping.
Of this. Yes. Okay, 2 terabytes.
How much is this one?
I don't know. $60, I think, more or
It's
less.
cheap, huh?
It is cheap. Yep. For my future travel photos and videos. Oh, my GoPro 8. Ha. GoPro case. My winter shoes. Okay, from Colombia. Okay, another under glass.
Another shades in sun?
Not exactly. I'll show you what it is. This is what we call a blue light filter.
Really?
Yes. You know, we are on the computer most of the time. So yeah. This will help with your sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, with your sleep at least. So we can sleep earlier. So yeah. This is one of the highest rated blue light filter on Amazon. I think this is like $10. What is this? Silicone case for my GoPro. Oh, my bag for waterproof bag for rafting, water sports. You like that? Another 128 gigabytes. My new curtain.
Oh, you bought.
This is a black light curtain, zero light,
Okay.
and soundproof.
Soundproof.
Yes.
Give me one, son, huh?
Okay. My GoPro accessories, the mountain bikes, hiking. Show it.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Travel
Kit.
kit.
What's inside of this one big
Wow,
box?
this is quite big. It says long floating fins.
Oh,
This is for my
yeah.
scuba. Like scuba diving set and snorkeling set. Yeah, let's open. Let's see.
So no need to rent
No need to
scuba.
rent. Yes. Scuba fins.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's,
Oh, it's still oily. Why is it oily? This is the coronavirus. Okay. Another 128 gig, another 128 gig. Maybe you're wondering why. I'll show you why. I have another camera.
Really? Oh, you ordered two
I
camera?
ordered two cameras. So one for the
120.
Insta1 360R.
Okay.
Let me wear this while I do the unboxing so I look cool. One
Remove
for
the other plastic inside.
Yeah. Insta 361R
Okay.
and one for the GoPro,
Okay, and then
one for my camera, for my phone,
for this camera also.
no, and one for that camera we are now using because I
Okay.
have 4 cameras.
Three
Time
cameras and
to-
then one phone.
Exactly. Time to upgrade. I cannot see.
No, just use the other one
I
instead
cannot see. Next, gaming
for the
mouse.
mouse. Oh, how much is that, son? I'm looking for gaming mouse also. Even the
It's
keyboard.
not expensive. I think maybe $15 more or
Okay.
less.
I'll try to order from Amazon also.
Yes. Another shirt. This is for my feet. You know those things for flat-footed
Yeah.
people? Yeah. I have that for support. Shoes go here.
Another silicone case for
Silicone
your
case for my other camera. What is this again? Yeah. This is like a mask, but not for coronavirus. This is for like, you know, when you go on
when you
winter
travel.
travel. Protects you from the
Oh,
cold
okay.
wind. Yeah. So winter, yeah, here you go here. New sets of boxers.
Nox.
Oh, the arm sleeves for the sun. Another shirt. What is this? Oh, travel pillow.
Oh, okay.
Let's
Inflatable
open
pillow.
Yeah, I guess. Let's open. Most of my stuff is for traveling, as you can see. Love traveling. Oh,
It's just like a magic pillow, huh?
yeah. And it comes with
iPhone.
eye mask. There you go.
This one is for the ears.
Yeah, it will inflate later maybe. Go there. Another.
Oh, you buy.
Another shoes.
You buy 3 pairs of shoes.
Yes. This one for running. Look at the color.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes, of course. Under Armour.
Love it, right? I love this. I was choosing between this one and the New Balance.
For me.
More or less the same price, but this color, I mean, come on. Look at this color. What else? What else? What is this? Ah, okay. I don't know. Is it? Wait, what? Ah, wait, is this my phone case? Ah, yeah. The cool one.
Waterproof? No.
I don't know.
Seems like waterproof.
So it comes with the freebies. Okay. That's why it's expensive. It's like $20 something. Okay, and another arch support for my feet. Flat-footed people. Ah! This is something different. Kind of interesting. A sewing kit. Yeah,
okay.
so, you know, it's easy, like you can sew your torn shirt, whatever. I need this for my uniform at work, so yeah, that's why I bought this. And what else? This is for my Insta360 This is like the selfie stick that comes with it. Another shoe support. There we go. My passport wallet. It's anti-theft, so they don't skim your card. And coffee maker from Greece, the frappe. Another phone case. This one for my iPhone. What is this? And the inflatable selfie stick for the GoPro. And oh,
You have freebies.
no, it's a card reader.
For your
I think it comes with the SD card.
SD card.
Yes. And another case
for your
for
phone.
my phone. Another one. And yeah, the other things are like just fridge magnets from the countries that I've been to, but I failed to buy one. Alright, and the last one. Yeah, very important. I'll show you guys. A travel adapter. Comes with a case. Very essential. That's it. Thank you for watching.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.